Hey guys, it's me again, and this is the review for my LEGO Star Wars General Grievous wheel bike. As you can see, we have General Grievous here, all four arms and all four lightsabers, and Obi-Wan Kenobi with his blaster and the electro staff. Now let's get down to the wheel bike itself. As you can see, it's pretty big. 2 cannons, 1 flake missile. Fire, you dang thing. Doesn't go that far. Prettiest thing ever. Its wheels fold up. Well, sorry, its legs fold up. I've been tongue-tied all day. Also, I'll show you how the legs fold up in a minute. Also, we have the little activator right there. Right there. And the blaster storage is right back there. Right there. Now, let's get to transforming it. There. It folds up like that. It's supposed to be up like this, but there's enough space for it to technically hover. So you just push it along and it rolls. And General Grievous fits right there. I'll get General Grievous set up. Sorry for the background, my family has gone berserk. Because my brother has a friend over. And there you go. General Grievous is sitting on his wheel bike. As you can see, he goes right there. And that is basically it for this video. The next one I'll be doing is my Anakin Skywalker Jedi Interceptor. I'll see you guys next video and have a wonderful new year.